This class is for probability and random process. This is for Korea University undergraduate students, second grade. So my name is Jungwon Kim. I'm with Korea University School of Electrical Engineering, and I'm doing my research at AI and Mobility Lab. So if you want to know more details about myself, then you can drop by this website or you can send me an email. Okay. So probability and random process. Uh, you can take this class if you are a second grade electrical engineering student at Korea University. Uh, from 9 a.m. to 10:50 a.m. on Tuesday and Thursday, this class will be conducted at Science Library 409. Okay, but however, nowadays we have some serious issue by coronavirus. That's why we will conduct our lecture in online. Okay, that's why online you can see the videos whenever you want, several times. That's why it will be much more convenient for you. However, it's not interactive. That's why you can send me an email frequently in order to ask something. Okay. So my name is Jungwon Kim. This is my website. This is my email. So you can drop by my website or you can send me an email if you have any questions, comments, and feedback. So the teaching assistant of this class is Hyo Ji-byun. She is a master student in electrical engineering, Korea University. If you have any questions, then you can send an email to her by this email address. So we may have some lab sessions for Q&A or problem solving. Then she will lead the lab discussion. Okay. So our textbook is Probability, Statistics, and Random Processes for Electrical Engineering, written by Leon Garcia, professor. So this textbook is very well known for communication and network applications in terms of probability and statistics and random process. So this class consists of following items. The first one is probability theory. Second one is discrete random variables. The next one is one random variable, pairs of random variables, vector random variables, sum of random variable. And here up to here, we will cover any kinds of random variable issues. That's why we will gonna see more details about the random process, random variables in this first part of the class. And then we're gonna see the statistics. Right after that, we will gonna see random processes, and then we're gonna study about Markov chain. Finally, we're gonna start to talk about queuing theory. So once you are familiar with Markov chain or queuing theory, then you are ready to go for the Markov decision process, the next one. So this is the foundations of reinforcement learning, which is one of the hot topics in deep learning research areas. That's why it will be very interesting for you and for me as well. So that is also related to our topic, probability and random process. That's why I would like to cover this topic in this class with the name of reinforcement learning. So you may have some interest on grading criteria. So I'm gonna put 5 points for attendance and attitude. So I will give you 5 point full credit at first. Once you have a lot of missing in class, then I will start to reduce your score, or your attitude is not good, then I will reduce your score as well. But the score reduction will happen only when your attitude make harmful impact to your friends. That's why you should keep aware of your friends every single time during the class. So next one is quiz. We will gonna have 2 quiz irregularly. That's why you have to study the item on time. Okay, so it will consist of 20 points, and we will gonna have 2 exams. The first one is midterm exam for 25 points. The next one is final exam for 30 points. Okay, finally we will gonna have one small project. That's why it will gonna have 20 points. So eventually we will have 100 points in this class. So in addition to that, I would like to provide the additional credit if your activity is very positive to this class, or if your activity is very positive or very valuable, then I'm gonna give you some more credit for that. So let me note that lecture recording is not allowed. Actually, sometimes you're gonna make a recording. You're gonna make a recording with your cell phone, recorders, and so forth, or you can take a video during the lecture. but it's not allowed in general because of the intellectual property issue. That's why you should not do that. However, I will make a lecture, then I will post this one in my YouTube channel. That's why you can see the lecture whenever you want. So even though we are doing on campus lectures, then I will make a recording during my lecture, and then I will post the result into my YouTube channel. That's why you don't need to make a recording by yourself. You can focus on your lecture during the class. If you have any questions, then you can send me an email, or you can send her an email, the TA. But the email should start with this one. Your email title should start with this one because of the searching issue. So if you are not using this term in your title, then it's very hard to find your email again. That's why you may not receive any reply from my side. That's why please put this one in your email title. Then I can easily find your email. This is the end of the introduction to the class. So if you have any further questions, comments, and feedback, please let me know by email, or you can make a comment in this YouTube channel. Thank you, and good night. And from next lecture, we're gonna start with the chapter 2, probability theory. Thank you.